Hello my beautiful people, my online family, my Facebook family, Instagram family, YouTube family, those of you liking my videos, my pictures, sharing my content. I really appreciate you all. You guys are my online family. So happy Valentine's Day to you all. I'm supposed to put on red. I have red on my nails. Excuse the way the nail is looking raggedy. You know, I work on the farm, so even if I make my nails right now, the same day is going to look rough. So just bear with my nails. Happy Valentine's. So my name is Belinda. I do videos on DIY hair care, hairstyles, wigs, and some other fun and stuff. I have TikTok account. I'm going to leave all those socials somewhere here, so you guys can go and follow me up if you are not following me already. So in today's video, guys, I want to show you guys the outcome of my Bantu knot. I did this last night before I went to bed, so this is the next morning. I'm going to be undoing it, and I want you guys to see the result. So let's get right into it. First things first, I'm just going to make sure my hands, my palm, are oily like this. Oil. This is going to like reduce the frizziness a little. So I'm going to be undoing them. So I'm looking at my bigger mirror here. Okay, I'm going to be undoing them one after the other. You just twist it anti-clockwise. Nice. Not bad. I'm going to go ahead and take the rest down. So this video is not going to be too long because I'm doing it in real time. So let me pause it, take the rest down, and I'll come back and show you guys. Okay, so here we are, guys. I've taken everything down. Mind you, this is heatless coils. I didn't apply no heat to it. I just did this overnight, and this is the next day, and this is the coil result that I got. So you can leave it like this, or you can go ahead and separate it with your fingers to make it fuller. Do this gently so you don't rip your hair off. It's going to be a lot easier for you to like separate the coils if you detangled it very well, like properly, before you do the Bantu knots. You make sure there was no knots at all. You comb it through before you put it in a Bantu knot. Doing this separating thing is not going to like be an issue at all, because it's just going to be removing really easily. I just separate the coils like this with my hands. You do this for the rest of the hair. So guys, after the finger fluffing and detangling, this is what I got. Let me show you guys the back. So, but if you want some more volume, you can go ahead and use a white comb like this. Just going to put it down, open it like just a little bit of the root, and you leave it alone. You don't comb it through, so you don't remove all the coils, just like that. That way. It's going to give it some more volume. So this is the final look, guys. So I get asked a lot of times that what do I use on my hair? I use this. I use shea butter. It's shea butter is so good for your hair, whether your hair is relaxed, whether your hair is natural. I mean, all hair is natural. Whether your hair is relaxed, whether your hair is not relaxed, shea butter is very, very good for your hair. So other than shea butter, I also use my DIY hair growth oil. This oil is infused in a lot of different organic ingredients that includes clove, ginger, garlic, onions. Yeah, in this oil I have a video that shows how you can make this oil yourself. I'm sure something like this will be in the market, but I have a DIY video where you can make some yourself at home excuse me, and you can use it on your hair. But you see this shea butter for hair, some people don't like the smell, but it's so nice for your hair. It's going, like if you're having thin hair and you're using shea butter every once in a while, you're going to see that your hair is going to start having some weight to it. My hair is relaxed and it is this full. I mean, it's not so full, but it's not bad. It's healthy. It's in a very healthy state. So shea butter is very good for your hair. It's going to help keep your hair soft, moisturized. It's going to prevent breakage. Like, you know, when your hair is dry and then you're combing through it, it's going to be breaking. Look, everything I did this morning, I have just one strand of hair here. This thing I just did now, pam 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 pam, I didn't break any hair. And that's the only way you can retain your hair length. Like every normal human being, our hair grows. Everybody, our hair grows every day. Imagine if you shave all your hair right now, in the next 2 weeks you're going to see that fresh hair has grown and covered your hair. So that's just how it is. Our hair grow every day. It's just that we don't retain so much of the length. We don't retain so much of the length. That is why we complain that, oh, my hair is not growing, my hair is stagnant. No, our hair grow every day. We just need to find a way to retain all those growth. And one way you can do that is to prevent breakage. If your hair doesn't break, then you'll be able to retain your growth, your length, and the volume. So people, try shea butter. So as for my Bantu knots, what do you guys think about it? I love it though. So thank you so much guys for watching. Let me know in the comment section if you will try Bantu knot hairstyle, heatless hairstyles. You can use the heat to achieve the same style also, but we are on the healthy hair journey, you know, health over length. We're on the healthy hair journey, so I'm avoiding heat for at least 3 months or 4 months. No heat on my hair. Yes, no chemicals, no heat for at least 3 to 4 months. So that's the healthy hair journey. So who is on this journey with me? Please leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how long you can stretch your relaxers. Let me know if your hair is relaxed. Let me know if your hair is still a virgin hair that is commonly known as the natural hair. Let me know in the comment section. Okay, I'll be very, very glad to read your comments and reply if I have to. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section also. Still Belinda here, and I'll see you on my next video. Until then, remain blessed and bye. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.